Did you ever face a certain level of hostility because a lot of people don't even take you as a Pakistani. They say कि you have European features. Beauty lies in the blood, doesn't it? ठीक है? They're like, and of course you have an aura because you stand
हाँ,
out, you're broad, you're tall. Did you ever
I'm
feel
intimidating.
so your aura is what actually intimidates the other person? How did you cope up with all of
I
that?
enjoy it.
Ah,
Why should you not be intimidating? Why
hmm.
are women taught to be docile?
Yeah.
Why should you be approachable?
Hmm.
Nobody's asking you to be mean.
Hmm.
Nobody's asking you to be unkind.
Hmm.
But you should not be approachable to everyone.
Hmm.
अगर आप इतने साल इंडस्ट्री में रह के एक न्यू कमर से इनसिक्योर हो रहे हैं तो फिर दैट द ओनस इज ऑन यू.
Hmm. Hmm.
आई एम सिटिंग एग्जैक्टली वेयर आई शुड बी
Right in front of me, in my podcast, everything is possible
विद फातिमा
if you
अब्बास.
believe.
If you believe.
So, Lino,
If you believe.
I know this for a fact. Ke
Hmm.
after you crossed your 20s, you were experiencing a bit of weight issues, body image issues, and of course,
Yes.
it was escalated जब आप media में आई.
No, it
Uh,
escalated after Noor Jahan, by the way.
So that was
Yeah.
where I was heading actually.
जी.
कि Kiryana में you were all right.
Yeah.
Even though when I surprised you, when I came directly to your hotel where you were staying, you were munching on French fries, and I was like, Alina, are you not supposed to go on the shoot? You're having so many of carbs, and you never cared. Like weight was always the least of your worries and least of your priority. Like you would eat whenever. You never went to the gym. Never even मतलब जो बंदी 2.0 के उस पे running कर रही हो, that was your stamina.
But Fatima, you need to also understand I was a thin girl my entire
You were
life.
always very skinny, so you
Yeah.
never experienced what it's like to gain weight, and you shot up to 85 kgs in
Yeah.
Noor Jahan.
Thank
So,
you for letting the world know.
well, it's Wikipedia was gonna put it out there, so why
No,
not
I
me?
didn't shoot up to 85 in Noor Jahan. According to me, I lost a bit of a weight. I was 85 before Noor Jahan. During Noor Jahan, I was 82.
So, Alina, even though the fact you have got a lot of international love, there is, mashallah, an avalanche of compliments coming your way because this role of Safina has touched the lives of so many voiceless women who feel so empowered when they look at you. But jitna jitna mohabbat aapko mila hai, uske sath, of course, negative comments are always a part of it. You've spoken about being age shamed. You have spoken about being height shamed. Unfortunately, there was some people who commented on your body and the fact that you looked a lot older. They made really stupid remarks about itni
Even
actress.
the critics.
Even the critics said कि उम्र से बहुत बड़ी लगती हैं, अपने मेल काउंटर पार्ट से बहुत बड़ी
सबा
लगती
हमीद
हैं,
की एज की लगती हैं.
सबा हमीद की एज की लगती हैं. कुछ जगहों पे ये था, जब मैं आपके साथ आपका ड्रामा देख रही थी,
हाँ.
you also felt very insecure about your body.
I did.
So how did you navigate your way out of this?
I thought of you.
Aw.
Dekho, you've experienced all those things that I'm experiencing now.
Hmm.
You've been through so much as well. मेरे लिए you
I was 98 kgs,
no,
by the
but
way.
it was you were depressed for a very long time because
Yes.
of that. It wasn't healthy. So I've seen you struggle. I've seen you go through that, and I've experienced those things. When I started experiencing it firsthand with myself, usse pehle I couldn't really relate to it. I could only sympathize with you. Now I can relate to it.
Hmm.
Now I understand and feel deeply about these issues कि यार वाकई में ये होता है and it happens and आपके दिमाग में ये हो जाता है कि like you start feeling really insecure.
Hmm.
और जब आपके दिमाग में ये बनना शुरू हो जाए तो वाकई में you can never really get out of it. You can't come out of this thing.
Hmm.
आपको हमेशा ये लग रहा होता है कि there is something just wrong with me. And I understand your issues now because now I'm experiencing it first hand. मैं चाहे जितना weight lose कर भी लूँ, मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा रहेगा कि यार I was 85 at that point. Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe the clothes don't fit and maybe what if I go back to being a size, size 12 or size 14, I would still look big.
Yeah.
वो दिमाग में रह जाती हैं.
Yeah.
You've told me this कि अब तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये चीज़ फंस गई है. तो ये
And I've
ना-
starved.
I can't
starved.
starve.
You
I'm
true.
sorry. I'm not going to abuse myself and my body for
Hmm.
anything or anyone.
That is what I've always loved
yeah.
about
Why
you.
should you, yaar?
Like-
that's the only thing you have control over.
True.
उसी को ही आप खराब कर रहे हो, उसी को ही abuse कर रहे हो. Why? Because people don't like what they see.
But Linzu, it did take a mental toll on you,
It
right?
did because I got really comfortable. I got too comfortable. I was a complainer, but I wasn't doing anything about it because I myself couldn't come to terms with the fact कि मुझे इसके लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. तो मेहनत पहला स्टेप ही जो होता है ना अपना दिमाग बना के उस चीज के लिए जाना, वो बहुत मुश्किल होता है।
Hmm.
मैं तो भाग जाती थी जिम से, मैं कहा मुझसे नहीं होगा,
Yeah.
टू
Hmm.
हेल्प विद इट।
Yeah.
लेकिन उसके बाद आई थिंक दीज comments actually helped me make up my mind that I can't keep living like this because I don't like it myself.
But you were really depressed when you were reading all of it. I
I
remember you
was.
calling
No,
Amma and you were like,
I
yeah.
was. लेकिन उसकी upside ये थी कि I took charge of my life.
Yeah.
Because even I was not happy with the way I looked.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what people say unless or until आपको वो affect अच्छे तरीके से नहीं कर रहा। अगर वो आपको अच्छे तरीके से अफेक्ट नहीं कर रहा और आप उसका कोई पॉजिटिव आउटकम नहीं दे रहे ना, तो फिर तो आई मीन इट्स डेविस्टेटिंग ना, तो ये तो सेल्फ एनाइलेशन पे आ जाती है।
Hmm.
इस सारी नेगेटिविटी का अपसाइड ये था कि मैंने इसको एज अ चैलेंज लिया एंड आई वाज लाइक नो, आई एम गोना गेट माय लाइफ बैक,
Hmm.
आई विल गेट बैक टू व्हाट आई वाज बिकॉज आई माई सेल्फ डोंट लाइक व्हाट आई सी।